Hello, sir. This is an urgent call from SafeBridge Department. A laptop for $1,500 was ordered using your account. We need to fix this quickly.
I didn't order anything. Please stop it.
We stopped the order. But to give you a refund, we need a small payment.
Payment? For a refund?
Yes, sir. A $100 processing fee. You can pay with a SafeBridge gift card.
Gift card? Why not just charge my card?
It's faster and safer this way during the check. Buy a $100 SafeBridge gift card and tell me the code.
Your email looks strange. This doesn't feel right.
That's our backup email. We work with many teams. Please don't wait.
No, wait. This is a scam. You're a scammer. I know what you're doing. Stop calling me.
Sir, please, I'm here to help you.
No, I'm hanging up. You're a scammer.
Sir? Hello? Sir? Sir, please, I'm here to help you. Sir? Hello? Sir?